So what is up, guys? Good afternoon, internet. And it's 2:55 in the afternoon, and it's quite some time since I made a blog on the FZ25, and today is a very important blog, I would say, because the bike has done over 45,000 kilometers. Now when I say 45,000 kilometers, it was done in 3.5 years. So the bike will complete 4 years in July, and a lot of aspects, very important aspects that I wanted to discuss. I'll keep this video very precise, no time pass. It is just plain information which will be useful for you. So yes, 45,000 kilometers plus and 3 years plus ownership, and this bike still brings a smile on my face. But what you have to kind of, oops, I took the wrong side. What you have to take care is firstly the battery. So recently what had happened is the battery conked off. It was the stock battery, and because of the COVID situation, I could not get the batteries. So basically there's very bad supply of Exide and Amaron and all those batteries. So basically Rohit from Kumar Auto was kind enough to source a battery for me, but I had to settle up with a 1 ampere lesser one. So but it's doing fine, there's no issues as such, and till the need arises I will change it back to Amaron or Exide. And yes, so I'll just give you a list of things that I have done. So the bike is due for service again in another 1,500 kilometers. And what you have to take care when your bike is this old, so 3.5 years and 45,000 plus kilometers is a good mileage on the bike. And firstly is the battery. So those who are approaching 3 years, just get your battery checked. You don't want to be in a situation that you don't have a bike at all because of the batteries are not getting sourced. Arey yaar. So because of the COVID situation, there's a very scarce supply of raw materials and batteries and you know what. So you don't want to be in the situation, because I was stuck without a bike, but luckily I had the Suzuki Access, so that was my daily driver. But the FZ is the FZ, so that is very important that you need to check. So as your bike is approaching 3 years, kind of do a battery check and get it replaced, even if it is weak. Kind of don't see that हाँ charge हो जाएगा या चल जाएगा. Don't have that attitude. Replace it whenever you get things that are available, because you never know when they are not. Second is the bushings, suspension bushings, that you have to take care of. Third thing is the tires. Now mine is, I changed my tires at 19,000, now it is 45,000. It's almost done 26,000 kilometers, but Michelin Pilot Street Radial is really awesome. So I have no issues at all with the tire. There is ample of grip, and yes, I think so I can stretch it another 5,000 kilometers more, if not. So that is there. And in regards to basic maintenance is your oil, and a small thing that I want to do is like a small review at 45,000 kilometers. The bike has been exceptionally good. What I have done is kept maintaining the bike very simple way. I've not done much of mods. I just met Moto Genesis and I seen his extremely heavy modified bike, but that's a personal choice. He likes to do it, and it's good in a way that you modify your bikes, but I don't do it. I kind of like to keep it a little close to stock. And yes, but I really like the auxiliary lights of what Moto Genesis has put. So I'll kind of contact him when I want to change mine, because mine have really gone bad. So there is water entered, it's fogged up, so that is something good. And yes, what I wanted to say is that yeah, so basically also what you can do is kind of change these panels, because these panels kind of get a little old and scuffed up. So the panels are not very expensive. So the front panel, the down one that you see, is around 150 or 200 bucks. Actually, I did not have the time to fit it. It's already come. Oops, it's already come at Kumar Auto. And in regards to the bike in overall, maintain your bikes the way I have done. Basic servicing, time to time servicing, brake pad change, oil change, filter change, the basic needs of the engine. Because see, the exterior panels you can definitely kind of get it changed, but the engine is something that you don't want to touch. That is one thing. And in regards to that, just wanted to say that this bike has been exceptionally awesome. It has been my daily driver to work. I have taken it to Mahabaleshwar also as well. On a long route, yes, I ride a Ninja 1000 now, so basically if I want to take this on a long route, I will definitely get more tired on this. But it's doable. It's doable. It's nothing like you are low on power and you're, you know, struggling. You can do it. In fact, my latest blog, which will come now, will be the Mahabaleshwar trip on the 1000 with my buddy Rohan on the FZ25. So we managed that quite well. So the bike is an all-rounder. So it's a no-nonsense bike. I have not faced any heating issues, nothing. I have not faced any problems with the engine, touch wood. So basically you keep your... Oh man, this guy just braked. You keep your... service schedule very strict and clean. Yes, it will, you will kind of have your bike maintained to the core. So one thing I wanted to say is yes, do keep maintaining your bikes, and if at all you want any queries on the same. So the pros and cons that I found out in these 3 years of ownership is basically the cons would be kind of the wind blast, but there's nothing much that you can do. Even if you fit a visor, there's nothing much that you can do on a naked bike. So well as get a fair bike for that. Otherwise there's nothing much that bothered me about this bike in these 3.5 years. And all those kilometers I've piled on, there's nothing such like a breakdown or something like that. The bike, even in, I've taken it even in flooded water, so it did not give up. And I'm really happy, and this bike is going to stay. It's not a bike that I'll just kind of just sell it because I'm bored of it. This bike is actually a very no-nonsense bike. It is not very complicated except for the fuel injection, not much of electronics, because the more of electronics, the more complicated things get. This is very clean and non-complicated, and doesn't overheat in traffic. I've been in the craziest of craziest traffic, but it has not overheated at all. So that is one good part. The braking, I've done some mods. If you see the steel lines that I've put, those are mods that I've done to increase the performance of my brakes and, you know, the tires. Rest nothing. I use Motul 7100 10W40, and I use normal fuel. Yes, after a throttle body clean, I use Speed 97 high octane after a throttle body clean only on this bike. I don't use that fuel regularly. Apart from that, this bike, if at all you're still wanting to buy this bike in this era or this in 2021, this bike is definitely good. Now it comes with ABS also, so that's a safety net that you have. So basically the new, yes, I'm still complaining about the headlight. The headlight is not adequate enough for night rides, so that is another minus point. Rest everything is good. Pillion comfort is there. You can definitely take your girlfriend, your mother, your spouse, your wife comfortably. So that is really nice. And suspension is adequate, no complaints on that. Ride quality is decent, no complaints on that. And overall it's a good bike. So all these 3 years, all I did was kept it very simple, maintained it as per the service schedule, changed parts whenever required. I did not kind of stretch the bike to the limits in terms of parts being changed, so that I kept in mind. And yeah, that's it. And hope to make more videos on the FZ25 and make more interesting vlogs for you. So there will be more vlogs coming on the Ninja 1000 now. So yeah, because that bike is a beauty, so I'll make more vlogs and on the Ninja 1000. And yes, if at all you have any queries or any questions that you want to ask, you can definitely do that on my channel. You can mention it in the comment section below. And yes, do take care of your families in this COVID situation. The danger is not over, it's still there, it's still out there. And stay safe, stay healthy, wear your helmets, wear your gear, and take care. Signing out. Oh my god, imagine doing this on the Access. Shit. Oh. And yes, you can kind of saddle also on this.